Teaching kitchen safety and good nutrition early can help children establish a healthy relationship with food early on. You can find more at lilchufeng.com. Today, we are going to be talking about microwaves. Now, in general, microwaves can be used independently by children at around ages 9 or 10. But we can begin teaching microwave safety and offer adult supervised lessons beginning at ages 5 and 6. Let's get started. First, ask children if they have a microwave at home and if they have ever used it or seen someone use it. What kind of food do people usually cook in the microwave? Most children have seen their family members microwave popcorn or Pop-Tarts. Did you know you can also use it to cook eggs, macaroni, soup, and many other healthy foods very quickly? We can also use the microwave to heat up leftovers. Yum! But how does a microwave work? Be ready to answer this question because kids will ask. Inside the microwave is an even smaller machine called a magnetron. The magnetron sends out tiny waves, or microwaves, that shake up the water and food. When the water moves, it generates heat and cooks the food. Now that we've introduced the microwave, it's time to talk about safety. Remind children they should only use the microwave at home if their parents or guardians are watching and have said they can use the microwave. In the classroom, they are only allowed to use the microwave if the teacher is close by and watching. Metals and microwaves never ever mix, as they can spark and even catch fire. This is because microwaves bounce around until they get trapped and heat the water molecules in food. Contact with metals may cause the microwaves to bounce and spark. It's a little like how light reflects off a mirror, but sparking may break our microwave. We have to be careful and only use microwave-safe bowls when using the microwave. Finally, keep in mind, as microwaves explicitly target water molecules in food, high moisture foods such as soups or the inside of a Hot Pocket may be hotter than low moisture foods. Eating foods can cause burns to your mouth, so explain to children the importance of checking for temperature. Now you can enjoy your meal from the microwave. Thank you for listening. My name is Mahalia, and for more tips about cooking with kids, find us at lilchufeng.com.